Hi, I use the myself-made facial cream to take care of my facial skin daily. And to my patient's treatment of the facial rejuvenation, I also use the myself blended facial cream and essential oil to deal with the different skin issues. And most of the patients got the fantastic result. The skin issues I deal with, I treated before, including the wrinkles, the dark circle around the eyes, and the pimple, acne problems. Today I would like to share with you how I devise facial cream, facial moisturizer by myself. Following is a demonstration about how I devise the facial moisturizer by myself. First of all, preparing the clean containers, the 3 clear containers, and the scoop, or you could cut a big scoop. Then using the unscented cream. And of course the essential oils. So first of all, scoop the unscented cream into the container. And this bottle, I will prepare the facial cream for the normal to dry skin. And this bottle is for the acne and the pimple. And this red bottle is for the dark circles around the eyes. For normal to dry skin, that is to rejuvenate the skin. So I will use the essential oil I will use is frankincense. The frankincense and yarrow and geranium. And Fennel. And this bottle, the green one, is for the normal to dry skin. That is for generally rejuvenate the facial skin. So I will add 10 drops of the frankincense. 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 10 drops of the yarrow. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yarrow has a blue color. You can tell yarrow has a blue color. And for the geranium, this oil add 5 drops Geranium. Fennel 5 drops. Okay, this bottle is for the general facial rejuvenation. And this bottle, the blue one, is for the acne and the pimple. For the acne and pimple, I will add the tea tree oil, the tea tree oil, and frankincense, and lavender. The tea tree oil, add 10 drops. Frankincense, 5 drops. And lavender, 10 drops. Okay, this bottle is for the acne and pimple. And this bottle is for the dark circle around the eyes and puffy eyes, or the eyes bags. So I will add, in this bottle, I will add the Roma chamomile and frankincense. Roma chamomile. Roma chamomile for will add 10 drops. And the frankincense, 10 drops. Okay, then that is all the essential oil I needed. Then blend it thoroughly. Blend it thoroughly. All the essential oil, then blend it thoroughly. It smells really good. The smell is not too strong. It smells like a plant. Very enjoyable smell. Okay, look. This one is for the general facial rejuvenation. It is suitable for the dry skin to normal skin. This bottle is for acne and pimple. This bottle is for the ice bags, eyes wrinkles, and the dark circle around eyes. So today I only have the 3 bottles, but I still treated the oily skin issue. The oily skin issue, normally I will add the cypress and eucalyptus. Cypress. And eucalyptus for the oily skin. So except the cream, I also blend the essential oil to apply on the face before apply the screen, on my face. So the essential oil, the blenders, the oil I'm adding is a pure essential oil and the oil carrier, such as this bottle, that is for the acne and pimple. I'm adding the tea tree and the lavender and the lemon coupa tumor for the pimples for myself. Okay, so for the dry hair, the easily falling off hair, I also could using the essential oil add into shampoo. The favorite oil for the hair, I will choose Geranium. So normally I will add in the bottle. Add 10 drops of the Geranium into the bottle. And later I will also add some shampoo inside of this bottle, and then every time I wash my hair I will use it. Okay, that is all I would like to share today.